Hello, good morning. My name is Irampuga. I am in second grade and I will present my project for the Learning Theories class of teachers Nefer and Alex Jimenez. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about three learning theories that is called behaviorism, innatism, and interactionism. I will start by talking about the behaviorism theory. The behaviorist theory believes that infants learn oral language from other human role models through a process involving imitation, rewards, and practice. Human role models in an infant's environment provide the stimuli and rewards. When a child attempts oral language or imitates the sound or speech patterns, they are usually praised and given affection for their efforts. There are five principles of behaviorism. One of them is priority. We learn to speak before we learn to read and write. Then, language is primarily what is spoken and secondarily what is written. That's why spoken language must have a priority in language teaching. The second principle says language learning is a mechanical process leading the learners to habit formation, whose underlying scheme in the condition reflects. Language is controlled by the consequence of behavior. 3. The stimulus response. Each stimulus has a consequence, and that consequence it is a response, and each response becomes the initiator of a stimulus, and this process goes on and on in this way. A conclusion, it is clear that language learning and its development for the behaviorist is a matter of conditioning by means of imitation, practice, refinement, and habituation, which constitute the basis of language acquisition. A conclusion, it is clear that language learning and its development for the behaviorist is a matter of conditioning by means of imitation, practice, refinement, and habituation, which constitute the basis of language acquisition.